The concept of the Internet of Senses represents an ambitious vision for the future of the Internet, where it goes beyond just seeing and hearing. By 2030, consumers may be able to experience touch, taste, smell, and even mental engagement with digital consent. The infographic provided by Ericsson here demonstrates how these sensory experiences could create new dimensions in digital marketing. This shift could mean that marketers will have the ability to immerse their audiences in multi-sensory experiences, making marketing far more engaging and impactful. In the next generation of search, we see a few emerging trends. Voice search is expected to become more prevalent, potentially overtaking traditional text-based searches as consumers increasingly appreciate the convenience of speaking out their queries. Vertical search is another trend to watch as it focuses on industry-specific searches like Zillow for real estate, offering more tailored information. These specialized platforms are likely to appeal to consumers seeking in-depth niche information, making it essential for marketers to understand and adapt to these preferences. Marketing automation is evolving, with many activities already or fully or partially automated. From consumer data collection and segmentation to personalized experiences, AI-driven automation allows marketers to make informed decisions quickly and effectively. Hyper-personalization driven by AI is one example where data on consumer behavior can be leveraged to create a highly customized experience. This trend in automation points to an increasingly data-driven future where personalized marketing will be expected by consumers. Generative AI, such as ChatGPT, Bing Chat, and Google Gemini, are shaping digital marketing in significant ways. This technology allows marketers to create ads, generate content, and analyze competitor actions with AI-powered models. Generative AI can also serve as an assistant for tasks like writing and meetings, streamlining how content production and workflow happen. With many generative AI services emerging, digital marketers are encouraged to explore these tools to enhance efficiency and creativity while keeping ethical and appropriate use in mind, especially in academic settings. The cloud enables digital marketing services to be delivered as a service through the internet. Marketing as a service, or DMaaS, is a cloud-based approach where organizations can access marketing tools and platforms on demand. This trend parallels software as a service, SaaS, and reflects the shift towards on-demand resources in marketing. For businesses that need specific digital marketing solutions, DMaaS offers a scalable, efficient way to access these services without requiring large infrastructure investments. The Internet of Things and the Internet of Everything are expanding digital marketing's potential by integrating everyday objects into the online ecosystem. As more items become Internet-enabled, marketers may need to shift focus from consumer-centric campaigns to marketing that interacts directly with these connected objects. This evolution suggests that digital marketers will increasingly interact with the things in a consumer's life, creating new opportunities for personalized and contextual marketing. The shift towards a cookieless world led by companies like Google and Apple mean that marketers will need to find new ways to track and understand consumer behavior. This change challenges traditional reliance on third-party cookies and pushes marketers to explore new, privacy-conscious techniques. First-party data, information collected directly from consumers, will become increasingly valuable as marketers look to maintain insights without compromising user privacy. This shift represents a significant challenge and opportunity for digital marketing strategy. The concept of Fidgetal combines the physical and digital worlds, creating a seamless experience that bridges both realms. Amazon Go stores, for instance, illustrate Fidgetal retail by allowing customers to pick up items and walk out without traditional checkout processes. This concept highlights the growing importance of a smooth, integrated experience where physical interactions are enhanced by digital technology. As Fidgetal experiences become more common, marketers should consider how to create similarly seamless engagements across physical and digital touchpoints. Smart environments are growing rapidly with advancements in technologies designed to enhance immersive experiences. Virtual, augmented, mixed, and extended reality tools enable users to experience lifelike interactions without leaving their homes. One fascinating example is the Taste the TV prototype, developed by a Japanese professor, which lets users taste content through a lickable TV screen. This device uses canisters that produce a variety of flavors, including salty, sweet, sour, bitter, spicy, and savory. Imagine how these kinds of sensory technologies could revolutionize digital marketing, allowing consumers to interact with content in new and highly immersive ways. With the rise of smart cities, urban environments like Zurich, ranked top smart city by the International Institute for Managed Development, are increasingly connected and efficient. These cities score high on factors such as health, safety, governance, and education, making them hubs of digital innovation. For digital marketers, this means greater opportunities to connect with tech-savvy consumers who live in these interconnected spaces. As smart cities continue to expand globally, marketers should think about the new ways they can engage with audiences through smart city infrastructure. Blockchain technology provides a decentralized way to record transactions, track them, and ensure security without third-party verification. This technology can be used in digital marketing for ad placement confirmation, secure payment automation, and data analytics. However, blockchain also has its downsides, including high costs, at least right now, substantial energy use, and difficulty in correcting mistakes. As blockchain becomes more mainstream, marketers must weigh these benefits and challenges to understand how it fits within their digital strategies. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are unique digital assets recorded on the blockchain that cannot be duplicated. These tokens have become popular for items such as digital art, which can be bought, sold, and owned through NFT platforms. For digital marketers, the growing demand for NFTs opens new opportunities to engage consumers in this space. As the popularity of NFTs rises, they can create a competitive arena where brands can differentiate themselves by offering exclusive digital assets that consumers can own. Digital campfires are smaller, private online communities where consumers can engage in more personal interactions. These digital spaces allow users to share topics that matter to them in a less judgmental setting. The intimacy of digital campfires provides an opportunity for brands to create meaningful connections with consumers. Marketers may join or create these communities to offer valuable information or to facilitate discussions, creating a unique space for brand engagement and loyalty. Agile project management, commonly used in software development, is gaining traction in digital marketing. This approach breaks projects into small iterations or sprints, where teams work intensively over short periods to complete specific tasks. Benefits of Agile management include the ability to see incremental results, adjust strategies early if needed, and gain a clearer perspective on the project's overall progress. For marketers, adopting an Agile approach can mean a more flexible, responsive way to manage campaigns and adapt to changing market conditions. Keep in mind that many of us that have worked in tech marketing have adopted this way of managing marketing for many years, sometimes more than a decade. Digital realities, including VR, AR, MR, and XR, are transforming how consumers interact with brands. For example, IKEA Place uses VR to let customers place furniture in their homes virtually. AR billboards are another application where users can see and interact with content displayed on their devices. As digital realities become more sophisticated, they will reshape how people communicate, shop, and connect with brands. Marketers should consider how these immersive tools can enhance consumer experiences. The metaverse is a concept of a 3D or 4D virtual world that extends beyond our current internet. It offers spaces where users, represented by digital avatars, can socialize, work, and play in immersive virtual environments. Early examples include Second Life and Roblox, platforms where people can create and interact in virtual communities. As people spend more time in the metaverse, digital marketers may need to develop new strategies to engage with consumers in these virtual spaces, and there are even ethical and moral considerations to take into account. Tommy Hilfiger recently entered the metaverse with Tommy Parallel, offering digital fashion for avatars. This digital initiative lets consumers buy clothing for their digital identities, creating a digital wardrobe that can be used across virtual platforms. Tommy Hilfiger leverages its offline reputation to establish a presence in the metaverse. For marketers, the metaverse presents an opportunity to bridge brand identity with virtual experiences, reaching consumers in new immersive ways. Artificial intelligence is already integrated into many digital marketing tools, including chatbots, recommendation engines, and CRM systems. Salesforce Einstein is an example of a platform that incorporates AI to allow for customized AI-powered applications. Einstein AI can predict user behaviors, providing insights that help brands engage with consumers effectively. With AI's predictive power, marketers can anticipate customer needs and enhance their overall digital strategies. AI, of course, will continue to play a crucial role in making digital marketing more data-driven and responsive. This slide shows how the Indiana Pacers used Einstein AI to improve engagement by predicting consumer actions such as opening, clicking, converting, or unsubscribing from digital communications. Einstein AI uses scoring to categorize customers based on their behavior, with groups like dormants, selective subscribers, window shoppers, and loyalists. By applying these insights, the Pacers achieved a 20% increase in engagement when emails were personalized to each category. This example highlights how predictive AI can help marketers make data-driven decisions and foster stronger consumer relationships. Beyond simple automation, advanced AI technologies are emerging. Conversational AI, for instance, uses machine learning and natural language processing to provide more accurate, responsive, and conversational customer service. Digital twins create virtual replicas of individuals, enabling AI to make personalized recommendations based on users' behavior. Lastly, edge computing processes data near its source, enhancing speed and user experience. For marketers, these technologies represent new ways to enhance customer engagement, streamline processes, and deliver real-time solutions. Artificial intelligence is evolving from simple algorithms to more complex forms. As we move towards artificial general intelligence, AGI, AI systems could gain human-like understanding, including sensory perceptions, natural language comprehension, and social awareness. Looking even further ahead, artificial superintelligence, ASI, could surpass human intelligence. Now, while this holds exciting potential for digital marketing, such as advanced AI, it also brings ethical concerns, of course. Marketers will need to consider these issues as AGI and ASI could transform how we connect and understand consumers, but they may be fearful, and maybe for good reason. In digital marketing, consumer-machine collaboration represents interactions where consumers work directly with AI-driven systems. This collaboration may include smart robots or AI-powered platforms that enhance customer experiences. For example, interacting with an AI-based chatbot can provide consumers with immediate, relevant information. Marketers benefit by offering meaningful and personalized experiences, while consumers gain value from timely and helpful interactions. This trend points towards more integrated roles for AI in creating valuable consumer experiences.